In a world obsessed with futuristic EVs and digital dashboards, some cars from the past still hold their ground. Machines built with passion, personality, and pure driving joy. These aren't just old cars. They're timeless legends that remind us why we fell in love with driving in the first place. So today, we're looking at the best old cars that are still worth buying in 2026. Reliable, fun, and full of soul. Let's start strong with the BMW M3 E46, a true icon of early 2000s performance. With its naturally aspirated inline-six engine and perfectly balanced rear-wheel drive, it delivers a driving experience that's raw and connected. Even after 2 decades, enthusiasts say there's nothing quite like it. Yes, maintenance can be expensive, but the joy of driving one makes it worth every penny. Next, we have the Ford Mustang GT, the rebirth of American muscle. These Mustangs combined retro styling with modern reliability, and that 4.6-liter V8 still sounds glorious today. It's the kind of car that turns heads and makes you smile every time you press the throttle. Whether cruising down the highway or showing off at a car meet, this Mustang reminds us that not all fun has to come with a giant price tag. Subaru WRX. Born from rally racing, the WRX delivers all-wheel drive traction and turbocharged power in a compact body. It's a car built for drivers who love every corner, every shift, every sound. Sure, it demands regular maintenance and proper tuning, but when it's taken care of, few cars can match its mix of practicality and fun. The Toyota Corolla deserves a place on any list like this. It's not flashy, but it's one of the most bulletproof vehicles ever made. Millions are still on the road today, quietly proving that simplicity can sometimes be perfection. Cheap to buy, cheap to fix, and nearly impossible to kill. The Corolla is the definition of dependability. But if you want something with a little more luxury without breaking the bank, Lexus ES300. This car was Toyota's answer to the Mercedes S-Class. And, in many ways, it did better. Smooth V8 power, ultra-quiet cabin, and build quality that feels unshakable even after 20 years. Many owners still drive their LS430s daily, with over 300,000 miles on the odometer. It's the ultimate example of Japanese engineering done right. Mazda MX-5NA proves that fun doesn't need big horsepower. Light, simple, and balanced, it's one of the purest driving experiences ever made. The Miata's combination of low cost, easy maintenance, and top-down joy makes it an all-time favorite among enthusiasts. If you've never driven one, you owe it to yourself. It's proof that less really can be more. Honda Civic EX, a car that perfectly blends reliability with excitement. With its high-revving VTEC engine and precise manual gearbox, it's an affordable performance car that still makes drivers smile today. It's also incredibly mod-friendly, so you can personalize it however you want without losing dependability. The Acura MDX is one of those rare SUVs that perfectly blends performance, luxury, and reliability. Built before everything became overly digital, it still delivers that solid, mechanical feel drivers love. Under the hood, you get a 3.7-liter V6 with 300 horsepower. Smooth, responsive, and surprisingly fun for a family SUV. Inside, the MDX feels premium even today, with high-quality materials and comfort that rivals much newer cars. The super-handling all-wheel drive system gives it incredible stability in all conditions, making it a favorite for both daily commutes and long trips. Sure, gas mileage isn't its strong suit, but what you get in return is bulletproof reliability, a powerful engine, and the kind of craftsmanship Acura was known for. For anyone looking for a used SUV that still feels like new, the 2013 MDX remains one of the smartest buys out there. The Volkswagen Golf GTI MK5, the car that brought back the hot hatch magic. It's practical, quick, and stylish, with that perfect balance between comfort and sport. It's also surprisingly economical and fun for daily driving. Just keep up with maintenance, and you'll have a reliable modern classic that's still a blast to drive. The Toyota 4Runner, a true SUV legend. While newer SUVs focus on comfort and technology, the 4Runner represents what a real SUV should be: tough, dependable, and ready for adventure. Whether you're climbing a mountain trail or driving through a snowstorm, the 4Runner keeps going when others quit. The Toyota Tundra isn't just another pickup. It's a statement of strength and reliability. Built in America with Toyota's legendary engineering, this truck delivers the perfect mix of toughness and dependability. Under the hood, you'll find a 5.7-liter V8 engine that roars with 381 horsepower and can tow over 10,000 pounds without breaking a sweat. The ride is solid, the steering is confident, and the truck feels ready for anything, whether it's a construction site, a family road trip, or off-road adventure. Inside, the 2014 Tundra impresses with its spacious cabin and surprisingly refined interior design. Toyota gave it updated materials, better sound insulation, and a simple, rugged layout that just works. It's not the most high-tech truck, but that's exactly why people love it. It's built to last, not to impress. The 2014 Tundra is proof that sometimes simple and strong is all you really need. The Subaru Outback 3.6R is the perfect mix of rugged capability and everyday comfort. It's powered by a 3.6-liter flat-six engine that produces 256 horsepower, giving it the strength and confidence missing from many crossovers today. With Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, the Outback 3.6R feels planted on any surface: snow, gravel, or winding back roads. It's not a flashy car, but it's built for people who actually drive: adventurers, commuters, and families who value reliability over gimmicks. The interior is spacious and practical, with plenty of cargo room and that classic Subaru feel: simple, functional, and built to last. And unlike many modern SUVs overloaded with tech, this Outback keeps things straightforward and dependable. Even over a decade later, the 3.6R stands out as one of the most balanced, go-anywhere vehicles ever made. A true hidden gem for drivers who love freedom. Which of these cars would you buy today? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.